Hey guys, this is Minto, the Christian of Nas, Faith, Nasdaq. Okay guys, before I continue, can you please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified once I upload again, guys. Okay guys, yeah guys, we're back with another video, guys. This one is actually a market breakdown on Nasdaq, US30 and gold. Understand? So yeah guys, before I continue, make sure to trade with the best broker, Trade 205. This is one of the broker that I recommend you guys to trade with. Just make sure to sign up using the link on the description of this video, guys, and also open a 245% micro bonus account on MT4. So yeah, just make sure to sign up. Those who have signed up, just make sure again to text me. I've got something special for you guys. Just make sure to text me using the numbers on the description of this video. Those who have signed up using this broker, understand? Just show me the proof that you have signed up, and I have something special for you guys. Understand? So, yeah, quickly let's jump to the chart and see what is that is happening. So we're gonna start with Nasdaq. So on Nasdaq, guys, what is happening is that the market has been moving quite clear, quite perfect. So we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna reanalyze everything and see the structure of the market and what is that actually Nasdaq is actually doing or gonna be creating this week. You understand? So yeah, first thing that I do, I switch to my 1 time frame and identify my highest point, which is this point here, and I'm gonna come from my current lowest point, which is this point here. You understand? Then from there, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a structure, and to get a structure I need to use the trend line. So with the trend line, with the touches, man, I get to understand that this is how it has to be. You understand? Yeah, perfectly. So this is my diagonal resistance, and this one here is my diagonal support. So on this diagonal support, we get to understand that what is happening here, the market has given us a breakout here on this diagonal support and retested here. We can say it's a retest somewhere there. You understand? Then from there, what we have to do, we need to only focus on our highest point and current lowest point and cater places when the market touches the market reverses, of which you call them zones. You understand? Guys, this course is one of the greatest course that I recommend you guys to actually go for. We call it blueprint course, you understand? To actually empower traders. You understand? So if you are interested in the course, just make sure to text me using the numbers on the description of this video, guys. Understand? And also don't forget to watch our previous videos to understand what is happening. Those who don't know what is happening here, just make sure to check our previous videos. You understand? So this is our zones. So on the current one here, on the current market price, definitely on near the current market price, we need to identify this zone perfectly, so we will understand that okay, this zone is the one that's gonna be making the market to act in some type of way. And then from there we need to move to 1 day time frame. Okay, so this is our 1 day time frame. So on our 1 day time frame, what is happening is that we need to do what we need to focus on the current trend or the previous trend. I can say the previous trend, which was our downtrend. Okay, let me just put it perfectly. So remember your trend line to be perfectly trend line, it needs to be with the touches. I'm gonna create the videos on how to plot your trend lines. Those who don't know how to plot their trend lines and how to actually use, you can know how to, sometimes you can know how to actually plot your trend line, but you don't know how to use trend line. You understand? So it's useless to know how to plot it, but how to use it. And so I'm gonna be creating more videos. Now let's just be on the road to 300 subscribers. Just make sure to subscribe. So once we reach 300 subscribers, guys, I'm gonna keep on uploading more good content like these, like educational videos. Like we're getting deeper, guys. I know many of you guys are gonna learn from this channel, and this channel is gonna be changing most. It has already like changed most people's lives, and it's still gonna change more. You understand? So yeah, what is happening currently is that okay, now we need to focus on this one here, on this trend here. See this trend here? So this trend, what is happening on this trend is that, okay, the market have been pushing up respecting these trend lines. Okay, I'm gonna switch to forward time so everyone can see what is happening. Okay, let's see. So this is what we call a major key here. This is what we call a major key. It needs to be with the touches. So for now, let me just remove this one, because now if I put this one, I'm extremely on another level. You understand? So it needs you to understand the major key. So now I'm removing this one. I'm not saying it's not there, but I'm just removing it. You understand? So that we can both understand what is happening. Me, I understand what is happening. So like those who don't know what is happening when it comes to these things. Understand? So what is happening currently is that, okay, let's adjust this zone and see, because I feel like this zone, okay, perfect. You can see where the current market price is, this zone. Okay, let me just identify them perfectly, this zone here. So what is happening on that zone, man, we get to understand that the market is giving us a breakout on this zone. So we expect a pullback here so that the market can actually push to the below side, because of it is below that certain strong zone. So from there, we need to identify this major key. The market has given us a breakout on this major key, of which we tend to understand that this major key has also the retest. So this is our retest of the major key. So from there we switch to 1 hour so we can see what is happening currently. You understand? So yeah, what is happening is that, okay, this is perfect. Now the market has actually given us a breakout on this major key and is below the certain zone. So I feel like it has already given us a pullback. So we expect more selling opportunities to here. Let me show you. To here. The reason being the to here, because we like 90% of this major key. So what is happening is that on Nasdaq we're looking for more selling opportunities. So let me switch to 15 minutes so I can see if whether there's a pull streak. Okay, I feel like the market has given us a pullback here. So the reason why I start selling now is because of that zone. It keeps on failing to pass that zone. So for now, currently we can just say we're looking for more selling opportunities because the market is below that certain zone. You understand? I hope everyone does understand on this one, guys. We're looking for more sales on Nasdaq. Nasdaq selling opportunities this week are more advisable. Just have to take selling opportunities to here. You understand? So this is the setup. This is a clean setup. And guys, for free single group, just make sure to text me or to click the link on the description of this video, guys. You understand? So yeah, let's go. And also for the VVIP extension Ultra 5.0 signal groups, also available. Just make sure to text me using the link on the description of this video. Just okay, guys. Hey, my other phone is actually current, so let me just. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance, guys. Okay, let's jump to US30. Let's check US30. Okay, on US30, what is happening is that, okay, we're switching to 1 week time frame. And our highest point, first thing that you need to do, and our current lowest point. So now to get a structure, trend line, diagonal resistance. Guys, this strategy is more way too understandable. You understand? So you can just make sure, because for the full course again, guys, please make sure to text me. You understand? Make sure to text me using the numbers on the description of this video. Okay, these ones are the zones. Okay, these are the zones. But I feel like also here we have a zone. The zone here. Okay, zone here. And what is happening is that from there we need to move to 1 day time frame. Okay, 1 day time frame. Also, we need to do what we need to identify this one, because this is the strongest zone that is nearest the current market. Our nearest zone. This is our nearest zone, so we need to identify it perfectly so we can see what is happening. So now we focus on the current one. Actually the previous trend, because now current, I can say our current trend is actually a uptrend, but now we need to focus on the previous one so we can identify this type of movements. Okay, with the touches, I feel like it has to be like these, but with my understanding, I believe this has to go inside, a retest inside. So I feel like here we have we have to have a retest, but what's more important about USDT, you need to respect USDT and understand USDT. You understand what is happening on USDT? Based on experience, I understand that USDT is mostly likely to retest inside. You understand? So from 1 day we move to 4 hour. So on our 4 hour time frame, we need to identify this type of movement. So meaning when I say it needs to retest inside, I'm saying it has to come back inside and retest in order for it to push to the top. So what is happening is that we need to, I'm not saying this trend line is not there, but we need to respect this current trend that the market has been creating, respecting this trend line, pushing to the top. You understand? Those are the important things that you need to understand. Okay, perfectly. So what is happening is that here I actually see selling opportunities all the way to the down, at least if you can reach to this point, because this is our nearest zone. You understand? And what is more important about these selling sides is because the market has been moving like this. It was here, came here, went there, decided to play out, then actually came here, went there, play out. You understand? It has to come here in order for it to continue to push to the top. But you know how these things are moving. It's not the market is not a freeway, you understand? So it needs to respect those certain points. So those certain points, now we're actually checking them. So where are they? They are actually here. The first one is here. Oh guys, this is clean. But the market already like pushed to the below side. So it's like it's one of the sad thing that now the market already pushed to the down, but still has to push to the below side. So what is happening is that now for us to be on the safe side, we will not be entering currently selling opportunities at the current market price. At least for us to be on the safe side, to us to play a nice game, we need to do what? We need to wait for the market, because the chances of the market, how it has been moving, there are the chances of the market coming back to pull back and start pushing to the below side again. You understand? This is how the market has been moving. So yeah, this is clean, this is clean. So this is how it has to move. So okay, yeah, this is what I expect from USDT. The strategy is too much, guys. The strategy is too much. The skill is too much, actually. The skill is too much. There's something that you can argue with, you understand? So the more I actually show up every day, the more I add value to this skill, you understand? So you better do so also. So yeah guys, on the USDT, I'm just waiting for the pullback market. If you can actually take out that long candlestick and reach here, then that's when I'm going to be taking my selling opportunities. Because currently we get to understand that here we like 90% of this major key or this pattern, you understand? So this is a breakout and this is a retest, so it could have a pullback again and start pushing to the below side, you understand? So let's just wait for it to reach to that point, understand? Yeah, so USDT clean. Let's go to gold. Let's jump to gold. Gold. Let's see gold. But I think yesterday I did analyze gold. It's just that I didn't like send the signal, and actually respected the way I analyzed it. So, guys, this skill is too much, man. Shout out. Okay, 1 week. Gold is becoming so clean these days. But what's more sad about gold is that, hey guys, gold has been pushing to the top. It's been on a big momentum. Like, it's been on an, oh guys, check the major keys that gold has been creating. Hey guys, and if you're coming here trying to reverse gold, is gonna knock you out. Check the major keys. None of these major keys have been broken out. So hey, it's crazy now. So remember, highest point and current lowest point. Then from there, cater places within the market, touches the market, reverses. But I feel like our current lowest point is actually this point, because this is where this point used to be our highest point, so it's set to break. So we need to check this one as our current lowest. Yeah, as our current lowest, we're taking that one, so it's clean like this. So we need to cater places when the market touches the market, reverses, of which you call them zones. Guys, please make sure you subscribe. Click that subscription button and also turn on the notification bell, so that every time when I upload videos, guys, you'll get notified that okay, now I've uploaded. Because now this thing of me coming to the group and telling you guys that I've uploaded, it's actually is an old thing, man. So you just need to like get notified by the YouTube that I've uploaded, so you can watch the video. You understand? So if you did not subscribe, you did not click that notification bell, so that man, it's gonna be so worrying that you did not watch the video, or you did not see the video coming. You understand? So you must subscribe, man. Okay. What is okay? Let's check. Okay, here's a zone. Remember, it's a zone. And again, guys, please leave a comment. Yeah, show me something, guys. Tell me something on the comment section. Tell me something. Tell me what you think. Tell me like what to drop next. You understand? Because if I don't have ideas, guys, I'm not gonna be dropping any video if I don't have ideas. So tell me the ideas, or you understand? Maybe I can pick one idea there in the comment section to actually upload more videos, so that many of you guys can understand. Okay, what is happening on gold is that, okay, this is nice. Gold has been moving with an impulse and correction. You understand? Impulsive move and correction. So here it started with a correction. If you don't know about impulsive movement correction, just make sure to DM me using the numbers on the description of this video. I'm gonna teach you one. Understand? So this is a correction, impulsive move, young correction here, impulsive move, correction here, impulsive. So we expect more corrections here, impulsive. You understand? So moving to 4 hour, you guys will definitely see what I'm talking about. Yeah. Okay, let's jump to them. Okay, those are the points. This is what I'm telling you guys about. But I feel like this one starts here because the breakouts and so on needs to be respected perfectly. But I feel like here it's a matter of a pattern here. I feel like here it's because what I did, I caught the buys here because of the breakout on this pattern. So this pattern here, guys, it's actually what we call a falling wedge. Yeah, it's falling wedge, I think. Yeah, it's falling wedge. now you must get familiar with this, understand? So this is what we call a falling wedge. So what is happening is that the market has given us a breakout on the zone, and this is a retest here. So the market has given us a breakout and a retest. So what is happening is that here we're looking for more buying opportunities because the market is above the certain zone and the retest of it, and again the market has given us a breakout on this falling wedge. So what is happening is that the market has to complete the 90% here. So meaning here the market has to reach to this point. So switching to 1 hour, guys, this is clean. You'll see the retest perfectly. So breakout, retest, clean, push market to the up. So this is the overall setup. This is gold. So we're looking for more buying opportunities on gold. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Meet you guys on the other video. Yeah, make sure to comment, and also make sure to sign up with the best rate 205. And also those who have signed up with using the link on the description of this video, make sure to text me using the numbers on the description of this video with the proof that you have signed up, and definitely I have something special for you. So let's meet on the other video, guys. That's your mentor, the Christian of Nas, Faith Nasdaq, signing up.